guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to make a guacamole. As you can see, the sun is shining outside, so I decided to make a very simple recipe. And here you go, is guacamole, which I'm going to serve with the tortillas here. And it's very good for your aperitif, for your family, friends, or visitors. And here are the ingredients. We have turmeric, hot chili powder, paprika, hot chili sauce, Tabasco sauce, salt to taste, olive oil, and of course we have lemon juice or lime juice. And the main ingredients, we have coriander, a bunch of coriander, we have red onions, we have green pepper or chili, lime, and of course avocado. What I've done, I've chopped my onions in small cubes, green chili I've chopped in small cubes as well, tomato as well, and I've sliced the coriander to make the work easier. On a chopping board, we're going to remove the skin of the avocado. Then you twist to remove the seed. You just prick and remove it. Then remove the shell on a clean plate. Then I'm going to smash everything with a fork on a plate. As you can see, smash everything. It's easier with a fork. Then you transfer it in a bowl after mixing. This is the time. Then I'll add my other ingredients. I'll first add my chili powder. There is a pinch of chili powder, a quarter teaspoon of paprika, a pinch of turmeric. Then I have 4 drops of Tabasco. Then I have red chili sauce, hot red chili sauce, that's a teaspoon. Then I'll add my olive oil. There is 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Then mix it up. Add your salt, a pinch of salt to taste. Mix, give a mix. Lastly, you add your tomatoes, 3 tomatoes, small size, a small bunch of coriander, and a medium red onion, and a half of chili, fresh. Then mix it up. After your guacamole is ready, you wrap it, you film with a bread wrap and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes before serving. The 30 minutes it's over. It's ready to serve. Use a little manica, a little bowl, small bowl I mean, and serve a little bit. Here I've pressed my tortillas, which I'm going to serve with. Press on a platter. Then you garnish your style. Wow. And here you go. Our guacamole is ready. As you can see, I've served with my tortillas. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel and hit the bell below there so that you can be notified as soon as I upload a new video. You're all welcome and thank you very much. See you next time for a new video. Bye bye for now.